Usman. I'm a patron of Emerging Leaders Forum of Nigeria. Just as the president has just said, we are gathered here as patriots to, talk against the trend that we see. There's a familiar pattern. That is how the EndSARS started. There's a familiar pattern that, political gladiators are hitting up the polity, and it's capable of truncating our democracy. We don't want anything that will truncate this democracy, this nascent democracy. We are involving democracy. We should, abide by the rule of law. We are not a lawless country. Any political gladiator, political actors that feel aggrieved about the election, the conduct of the election, we have the judiciary. There's a precedence where the judiciary has been able to give back mandate to those that lost their mandates. Why are they now resorting to calling for public protests, nude protests, to foreign missions? It puts the nation in bad light, and we don't want that. We say all those that are fanning the embers of discord in this country should desist. They should learn from the elder statesman, former President Goodluck Jonathan, who gave an example. He relinquished power peacefully when he had the opportunity to cause war. And that he also said that the ambition of anybody is not worth the blood of anyone. We are seeing this day a familiar pattern, a trend, which is leading to something that can cause chaos in the country. And we don't want that. We don't want any war, because if there's any war in this country, we don't have any other place. Most of these politicians have 2 passports. Most of their children are not in the country. If any war happens in Nigeria today, we are the ones that are going to be affected. The youth especially. We are yearning for a good society, an egalitarian society. There is an election that has been conducted. Some winners have been announced by the INEC. They are the ones approved by law. No one has the monopoly or the authority to call for cancellation of election. It's only the courts that are empowered. If there's evidence to show that the election was not conducted in the proper way, it's only the courts that are empowered. And the court is there as the hope of the common man. So we are saying that henceforth, street protests should be abolished, except if we have peaceful rallies. Anything that will lead to miscreants taking advantage to cause mayhem, we call on the security agencies to be at alert. And we're in solidarity with the security agencies, we're in solidarity with the federal government, we're in solidarity with INEC. They are the ones that are empowered to make sure that we have a democracy. Come May 29, whoever that has been declared as winner will be sworn in. The cases that are pending in the judiciary will be attended to. If there is any cause to call for cancellation of election, it's the court that will do it. So we do not support interim national government. We do not support it. We do not support hate speeches. We do not support any ethnic or religious jingoism, anything that would divide us. We are better united as a Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you all. My name is Larry Omar Usman. I'm a patron of Emerging Leaders Forum of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Larry Usman, right?
Larry Omar Usman.